Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Easy Drawing for Kids. Today I will draw a beautiful flower. So let's start drawing and coloring with me. At first, I am drawing a circle, a tiny circle. After that, I will draw some straight line with straight line around the circle. 4 straight line and one other straight line in the middle of the flower. Then I will join all the lines.
So here is our beautiful flower drawing ready. Now I will show you how to color it. So let's color together. First color is yellow color, orange color, green color, peach color, violet color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, purple color. Thank you for watching.